Please subscribe and click the bell notification to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Hi and hello everybody, this is Dr. CraZy Science back to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to connect any Wi-Fi network without the password. For this tutorial, you don't need to have your device rooted. First I'll on the Wi-Fi router. As you can see, the lights blinking. I'll be back after every light gets on. As you can see guys, all the lights are on. For this tutorial I have this tab. It's the Lenovo tab 2. First you have to on your tab and go to the VLAN settings. Just enter my password. Now you need to on your VLAN. As you can see, this is the Wi-Fi, the Pro link. This is the Pro link. As you can see, it's written out here. Just show it for you. As you can see, it's written Pro link. That's the one. The Pro link one. For this, if I click it, that's the password. I don't know the password. I just blah blah blah. And if I click connect, it won't come. As you can see. So it's just coming saved. So for this, you have up, you have 3 dots. Click that. You have an option over here, advanced. Click that. And if you go down, you have an option called VPS push button. This is the option we are targeting. Now I'll show it. I'll show the router for a bit. This is the router. This is the router. Here we have the power button, the power light, the internet light, the ADSL light, and the LAN for LAN 3, LAN 2, LAN 1. I don't use this. And this is the VLAN, the wireless local area network. And this is the VPS. This is the one which we are targeting. As you can see, I'll show the back of the router. Let's put this wire a bit. As you can see here, there are some options here: line, pure TV, and some other stuff. As you can see, this is the reset button. As you can see, this is the VPS button, VPS Wi-Fi, WPS. As you can see over here, I zoomed it. This is the button. Now I'll take the tab. This is the button. You have to click it. And as you can see, press the VLAN protected setup button on your router. It may be called VPS or contain this symbol, WPS. And guys, this is the button. I'll just press it. You have to press holding it. And as you can see, it's loading. I'm pressing it, as you can see here. As you can see, now it have connected it. It's showing connecting to the network. Connected to VLAN network, ProLink. Okay. Now I'm just gonna show you. It has connected over here. Let's go back. And for an example, I'll go for YouTube and show the videos are working. I'll just go to my channel and put a video. As you can see, the video is working perfectly fine. So this shows that the Wi-Fi is working. And to make sure that, as you can see it over there, the Wi-Fi part. And guys, that's it. And also guys, most of the router, the VPS is on the back, as you can see over here. This is also another router, ZTE. Some other features are here, and you can see the VPS also here. I haven't connected this router. As you can see, the VPS button is on the back, and the VLAN, the VPS, this is the on and off button. And also guys, in this router also the VPS on the back. So commonly the routers which have VPS will be in the back. And that's it guys. Please make sure you subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.